So I recently got sent out this compact refrigerator, and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing with you guys, set it up and do a quick temperature check. We're also gonna go over all the other features that you guys need to know. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I already let this sit upright for about 2 days, so all the refrigerant should be where it's at, so nothing should break when we turn it on. So to open these up, just get rid of all these straps on the bottom. All right, so now that all those straps are cut, we should be able to just pull this straight up. So let's see how that goes. All right, and as you guys can see in the packaging, everything's super well protected. This is a piece of cardboard that's about 1.5 inches thick. We have a ton of foam for all the corners, foam on the bottom. It's wrapped in plastic to avoid any scratches. All right, so now let's pull that plastic off. And right now it's kind of on its side. So it looks really nice. It is a very thin fridge, so really that's what you're looking at. So it does have like a sticker on the outside that will peel because this is like a stainless steel design on the front, and then we'll attach that handle ourselves. But right now, let's see if I could lift this up without tipping it over too much. Now I can set it down. All right, so before we start assembling anything, let me give you guys a closer look. So I haven't opened it yet, but that's the inside. We get some glass trays. I believe this is probably going to be the handle on the outside, so we'll just attach that with a couple screws. We have our controls, light, temperature adjustments. This does come with a locking mechanism, so it uses this Allen key down there, and you could turn that, raises the pin, and then no one can get into it. And then even on the inside with all the glass, they have all these pieces of foam in here to make sure that everything's protected. So I will show you guys how to hook everything up and show you how to use the control panel. But first I want to show you the back here. So on the back, this is where they put the cord. So just carefully pull this out, just like so. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in. I'm gonna let it start cooling off, and then I'll get back to you guys in a couple of hours after it's fully cooled off, and I'll do a quick temperature check with my thermometer. All right, so for step number 1, to go ahead and attach the handle, we're gonna wanna take off this plastic film here. So this is a really thick material, but it did a good job at keeping all of the stainless steel scratch-free, so that's a plus. All right, so for step number 1, we have these metal pieces. We're just gonna screw them in the front here with a screwdriver. And I'm being careful not to over tighten these. I don't wanna bend the metal down. All right, so next up, we're just gonna put this handle on. I'm gonna attach it with the little bolts here facing down so that you can't see them. And then we're gonna use our Allen key to tighten everything up. And they do give you extra hardware as well, so I thought that was pretty cool. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up, but that's basically all you have to do. It is gonna be a slightly longer process just because I don't wanna scratch it. So I'm gonna do it the slower way and just do a quarter turn at a time. And I don't think you guys wanna watch that. But I'll get back to you guys in a little after the fridge is cooled down, and we'll go over all the rest of the features and do that temperature check. And I'll also go ahead and show you how loud the fridge is with a decibel reader. All right guys, so it's been a few hours. Let's go ahead and check it out. So I threw some stuff in here just to give you guys an idea of the temperature. So right now this can's reading 58 or 47 actually. Let's do this other can on 49. And so these have only been in there for a couple of hours, but they were all lukewarm to begin with, except some of these yogurts and stuff. I just wanted to take them out of my normal fridge and show you guys what all would fit in here. I did go ahead and adjust where the shelves were so that I could put some taller stuff down here and up top as well. So let's go ahead and see what the temperature is on the side there. Looks like we're right around 44. The glass, 42. So it's almost cooled down all the way. It's only been a couple hours, so I'm sure it's gonna get even colder. But our max temp down, it's gonna be 32, but I just heard the fridge kick on, so let's go ahead and get my phone out so that we could read how loud it is decibel-wise. All right, so the motor's back here, the compressor. Let's go ahead and be quiet for a second. It's right around 50 to 51 decibels, which is not bad at all. I've been reviewing a bunch of these fridges, and so far this one's been the quietest. And before we end the review, let me show you how the locking mechanism works. So I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna do clockwise, and now the fridge can't open. You could crack it, but you cannot open it all the way until this pin is unscrewed, and now you guys could get back into your fridge. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review of this mini fridge.